Air France Flight 296 has to go from Basel Mulhouse Airport to Habsheim Aerodrome. It's a brand new Airbus A320 and 136 passengers are on board. Captain Michel Azzelin is 44 years old. He is a very experienced pilot and he's been a pilot for Air France for almost 20 years. He is a training captain since 1979 and he has 10,450 flight hours. First officer Pierre is 45. He has been flying with the airline since 1969. He is a training captain since 6 years and he has 10,850 flight hours. It's afternoon time in the hot summer. The plane leaves the ground from Basel Mulhouse Airport and is headed towards Habsheim Aerodrome. These two airports are very close to each other in France and hence the flight is very small, only for 5 minutes. They had to perform a low pass at Habsheim Airfield for the air show going on there. Climb again, turn back and come for a landing at runway 34 left. Thousands of people were standing at that airport with their cameras, shooting the plane do the low pass. Unfortunately, this plane crashed in the jungle before the airport. On the hard impact, the plane immediately caught fire. Two passengers were badly trying to open the door and they succeeded, but unfortunately they fell from the plane with the emergency slide over their head. Thanks to those two passengers who risked their own lives to save others' lives. The crew immediately started to evacuate the passengers one by one. Locked up inside a pressurized metal tube, fire all over. Do you think you would calmly wait for your turn to get out of the plane? Obviously not. Everyone was pushing each other here and there, trying to get off the plane as fast as possible. And in this process, 3 innocent people lost their lives forever. One small boy who was pushed by everybody. One was a girl who did not know how to remove the seat belt and was stuck up. And finally, that old kind lady who tried to save both the kids' lives. The both pilots were also injured badly. This incident was very painful. The plane crashed in front of thousands of people who were watching the air show, but none of them could do anything because the jungle was quite far. Every crash has a very deep reason. So now let's try to understand what the hell just happened in Air France Flight 296. So there were two main reasons behind this dangerous crash. First, pilot error, and second, computer error. The pilots were supposed to fly at 30 meter, but instead of 30 meter, they flew at 30 feet. In other words, instead of 100 feet, they were at 30 feet. And this was their biggest mistake. The second biggest mistake they made was they disconnected the auto throttle. And their throttle was unfortunately on idle. In other words, the engines were almost off. Soon they realized that they were too low. Even there was no alarm in the cockpit because the landing gear was down. The first officer shouted, "Go around, go around." Immediately the captain increased the power on the engines. Full power. Captain pulled the side stick back, thinking that the plane would pitch up and go around. But the elevators did not move at all, because the plane was in a mode called Alpha Protection, which prevented the Airbus planes from stalling. Because the pilot had disconnected the auto throttle and the throttle was on idle, meaning the engines were running on 0%. And already the plane was pitching too high, so if the pilot would increase more pitch, the plane would certainly stall. So in this way, the plane kept on going down and finally crashed into the jungle. On this impact, the right wing tore off and the fuel caught fire. In this way, both pilot and computer error led to a dangerous crash. Every time a plane crashes, we learn something new, something what anything else cannot teach us. Never ever we will make such a mistake again. Even Airbus has now changed their computers. And obviously, this happened in 1988, so many years ago. The first 3 Airbus A320s which were delivered to Air France at that time. Modern aviation is quite safe. So thank you everybody for watching the video till the end. Goodbye.